Hey guys, so y'all wanted a two bun, puff, space buns, whatever you want to call it video, so this is it. As you can see, this is when I have my one lock. I'm just spraying some wood all over my head to loosen up my hair because, baby, this was like a 4-day-old twist out, okay? It's not looking okay. That is my favorite brush. Just use that to slick it up. As you can see, my edges are white from Edge Booster, but it's okay. It's gonna be okay. We are brushing it away, okay? Spray some water. More water. More water. Gotta loosen up my hair so I can maneuver around it. And that spray bottle is so misty. It works wonders. I got it from Blake Art Materials, but you can find it at any art store. You can find it on Amazon. Just type in Spritz Mist Bottle or whatever. So I am parting my hair. As you can see, I need some more water because the comb is just... Ooh. But you always want to use a toothpick comb like that. That's what I call it, a toothpick comb. And I'm just doing the middle part. Hopefully it's straight. I don't know. We gonna see. Now you just want to take your scrunchie and section it off to hold up all your hair. I guess it ain't work out because the scrunchie is off and I am back to parting. I don't even know what happened there, but we just gonna go with it, okay? I told you I needed some more water because my hair was just too off. Baby, we gotta get that part correct, guys. We got the part correct, guys. You just want to section it off into two. Look at the part. It's looking straight. Let me see. Okay, it's looking straight. Let y'all see. Oh, it's kind of crooked, but it's alright. It's alright for the video. You need some more water. It's all about the water. Like, that's what's helping your hair. Your hair needs water, okay? Hydrated. Especially if you got processed hair like mine, which has been dyed many times and needs water to stay hydrated. And I just want to take your wide tooth comb. This is my shower detangler comb, but we're just going to use it for right now. And just stretch your hair up. Stretch it, girl. You better stretch it. Still stretching it. All right. And this is my pomade treatment. This is just to, like, hydrate my hair more. Just add some moisture, some shine, some ingredients into my hair. You know, just add some of that ingredients into your hair. Gotta keep your hair good. Now this is my wide toothpick comb. Stretch it out even more. And this one is thinner, like bristles, whatever you want to call it, thinner combs. So it stretches it out even more than the regular wide tooth comb that I used before, the pink one. Now we gotta get that Eco Styler gel. I live by this gel. Like, I've been using this gel since I was like 10 years old when I first began to do my hair, guys. And I am now 21, so you know this gel has hooked your girl up for decades. Yes, for years. Gotta get some of the back. Slick. I do need a haircut because my joint is peasy. Now you gotta take your little tooth comb and just comb it up so you could get it real slicked. This is key to getting your hair slick. Forget a brush, baby girl. You gotta comb it. You gotta comb it, then you gotta brush it, okay? I'm sorry, like, my English is gonna be all over the place, guys, because I be talking, like, I don't know. Now you gotta brush it. Now I just want to get some Edge Booster for the extra sleekness. Now you put in your hanger and you build your hands together. And you just slick it up there. Look at that. Ooh. Sleeked. Slicked. Oh my god. I'm funny. I'm just a crazy girl. And I gotta get your scrunchie. Yo, these scrunchies, let me tell you about this scrunchie. It's so bomb because it don't have like no elastic or anything inside of it. So it's very hard to break or pop. And it just like flexes to your hair. Like it wraps around your hair according to your hair, like without no struggle or anything. Like I love this scrunchie slash headband slash whatever you want to call it, okay? Still slicking it up, you know. You gotta be extra slick. You see that? Slick. Just double it. Now you wanna wrap it around. I'm sure y'all know how to put on a scrunchie. Just tighten it. Tighten it real tight, okay? Real tight that you start getting a headache. Nah, not that tight. I really tighten my scrunchie so I get a headache, but it's alright. You don't gotta do it that tight. Because y'all might be tender-headed. Oh, I didn't do it that tight, actually. Okay. But you see it's slicked. Gonna go to the other side. And I did all the other steps with the combing and all of that to this side. But yeah, I ain't got time to watch all of that all over again. So we're just gonna do the brush. Skip to the scene with the brush. Okay, now we got the two puffs. My part kind of got messed up a little bit. But it's alright. Check out my one lock though, y'all. It's going. I miss it. I miss it so much. Now I got the rubber bands. Right? I'm gonna get your rubber bands because you gotta get your little buns the way you want it to look. You gotta make it look cute. So you gotta get your rubber bands so you can start shaping. Fluff it out first so you can start shaping the way you want your puff, your space bun to fall. I don't know if I'm gonna call these buns or space buns, but these are originally called space buns. See, I always get on to ranting, but let's get back to it. Yeah, so wrap it around how you want it. And ooh, child, that's looking cute. Period, poo. Now you gotta do it to the other side. And pray that it matches to the other side. Yes. For some reason, this side that I'm doing right now, I feel like it's more hair on that side of my head. What's that? My left side of my head. For some reason, I don't know why. But my hair just always just seems to expand more over there when it's curly, wet, and everything. And I just be like, yo, what is good? I don't know. Ooh, she cute. All right. Now that we got everything slick, you want to go take your toothpick comb and just pull out some baby hairs. Now, this is very precise. You don't want to pull out too little and you don't want to pull out too much because, girl, your baby hair's got to be fleeked. If your baby hair is not fleeked, then you messed up the whole hairstyle. Just throw the whole 2 buns in the garbage. Unless you just doing a sleek look when you don't need no baby hairs. But if you doing a baby hair look and it's messed up, throw it in the garbage. Okay, now we gotta get, I'm sorry. I'm serious. If it's messed, you gotta go in the garbage. But now we're just gonna get some edge booster and we're going to slick it on the front of your hair for them baby hairs. Yes. Now you gotta get your edge comb. Me and mine's been through a lot because that's why I was looking like that. I need to buy a new one. I should invest in that because it's only $1. Now, ooh, swoop. 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 Alright, so I went off camera and finished the rest of my baby hairs and I had to correct it. But you just seen the swoop effect on how I do it. Let me give you a circumference 360 look. It's slick. The part needs to be a little more straight, but we're not gonna talk about that. Ooh, she cute. Ooh, she cute. Yeah, she cute. Thank you.